Who's ready to review some beers? I am. I know you're not going to taste them, but I am. They're going to be damn good beers. Welcome back to Nathan's Beer Time. Special edition. Thank you to my good friend Mark Leonard from Long Beach, California. Sent me some new brews to try, even though you're not supposed to send brews in the mail. He did so, and I'm looking forward to trying these. I'm sorry if I've incriminated myself, but let's give this a crack. Right? Ooh, spilled a little bit. So a little history on this beer. This is actually called Montucky Cold Snack, as I said, and they call it the official, unofficial beer of Montana. And this is a tall boy, which means, if those who do not know, a tall boy is a 16-ounce can rather than the 12-ounce can. It's a little bit larger, very nice can here. So you get a little bit more tipsy off this bad boy. So I am unable to find the percentage alcohol on here. My guess is it's 8%. Oh, 8% back to local causes. Okay, I don't know the percentage on this beer, but anyways, this is a lot. Everybody in Montana loves this beer. Shout out to Tom Brady, who owns a house in Big Sky, Montana. Big fan of Tom, even though I don't like Buccaneers a lot, but let's give it a try. Wow. Wow, that goes down very easily. Woo! Very easily. It's like Natural Light. This is like Natural Light made for heaven. Wow. I gotta get this beer again. This is amazing. This goes down so easy. I'm giving this a 9.3 for my birthday, 93. Next time I can go partying, I'm gonna have this one. Montana people know what they're doing. By the way, we just got back from the Orioles game that was rained out. Very disappointed in those meteorologists who thought that it was not going to rain. It got rained out. So we're going to have to trade our tickets in for different tickets. And shout out to my boy Chris David. He's not a great ball player, but he's a nice man. And I would like actually to get 2 reviews in here tonight. So this is another one, Sapporo. I believe it's popular over in Asia, like in Japan. But before I do so, I need to finish up this to empty out the glass. Should not be a problem after I mentioned how light it is. And very similar to Natural Light. Actually, even less offensive than Natural Light, I think. A lot of adjunct flavors. Corn. It's like apple juice without the sugar. Yeah, I do hate the Nationals, as you may know. As an Orioles fan, I do hate them. Yeah, so, as I said, this is a hell of a beer. Let me finish it up. Woo! Let's go into the second beer here. This is called, as I said, Sapporo. Premium beer. Imported by Sapporo Brewing Company. I'd also like to take this time to apologize for my hideous haircut. the person who normally cuts my hair called out sick today, and I really wanted a haircut, so I got too eager and went to another place, and they did not do a great job. But I may buzz everything off tomorrow. All right. Also, shout out to LaMelo Ball. I have my mason jar. It says Ball here. Ball mason jars. Shout out to LaMelo Ball. I just actually pulled his Top Shot clip. He's a hell of a player. But Sapporo. Here we go. Yeah, this is how I kind of expect. I feel like a lot of Asian beers can be kind of skunky. This is pretty skunky. Has a reminiscence of Tsingtao or Heineken a little bit. My guess is it's probably somewhere in the 5% alcohol percentage. I'm not a huge fan of Asian beers. I mean, they're not horrible, but they're probably somewhere in the 6 out of 10 range. I'd probably give it like a 6.2 out of 10 rating. Don't love it, but I'd probably even choose Tsingtao over this. So China beats Japan there. Yeah. Again, thanks to my friend Mark for making this happen. These beers have been sitting in my fridge for a while, waiting for me to review. Tonight felt like the right night to do it. Pretty good beers, especially the cold snack. Shout out to Montana again. Love Montana, love Old Faithful. I know it's not technically part of Montana, but very close to Montana. Peace.